Hi all, hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'll be showing the Indian grocery products available in Switzerland local supermarkets. I am doing this video as it may help anyone coming to Switzerland for the first time. Whichever part of the world we are, home cooked Indian food is our comfort, as it helps us to have a good day. On day 1, it would be difficult or stressful for you to find or search for options. So this video would definitely help you. In this video, I have covered options available in one grocery store which is easily located across Switzerland. The basic thing that fills our tummy is the rice. We get parboiled rice, basmati rice and other variations in rice. You can make a choice of yours and cook it. Along with curd. We get so many spices like turmeric, Madras curry powder, chili powder, ilachi, saunf, nutmeg powder, cumin seeds, cloves, cinnamon powder, coriander powder, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder and different variations in chili powder with different spice levels, star anise, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, coconut milk, salt, oil. So with rice and curd rice, with rice and spices, you could make coconut milk rice. You would feel like adding some combinations to it. You get boiled chana, kidney beans, corn, green peas, white peas, chole, brown peas. So these are tinned food which is already soaked and placed in brine or salt water solution. You can just add it to your regular Indian tomato gravy. An instant capsicum cashew paste, tofu. You can make the list. You may be wondering that if you get dal it would be nice. You get the red lentils. And also the tinned is not healthy. Just in case you feel so, you get these raw ones also. You can soak them overnight and use it the next day. So immediately after landing or immediately you may not have time to soak. So you can prefer tinned food for a day or two. You get again red lentils here. So red lentils is nothing but the masoor dal. You can easily make a mini thali with the list. So your lunch is sorted. Now it's your evening. You can choose from soups, juices, some snacks made of besan. If you are a tea or a coffee person, you get milk, sugar, you get organic brown sugar or the cane sugar, coffee powder, the chai tea powder, and a combination for your tea or coffee, the rusk. So now your evening is sorted. Tiffin options for breakfast and dinner: rava to make rava upma and rava dosa, polenta to make corn upma. Kartoffel noodle is a potato starch. You can use it as a filling for making aloo paratha. And this is the wheat, maida and other flours for making tiffins. This is the maida flour. You can make couscous or bulgur upma. It is similar to dalia. Vermicelli to make semia upma, peanuts for peanut chutney, urud dal for tempering or using for idli and dosa batter, breadcrumbs for Indian snacks, raw mango bites, chips as a combination to rice or evening snack, herbal medicated chocolates. After all the cooking, if you are bored for the day, you could buy Uno and play cards. I have just shown options. You could make your own native style and also available in one single store, as it would be easy for you to locate and shop. Also, don't forget to subscribe.